Hello, welcome to the Agile Samurai Bootcamp. I'm your host, Jonathan Rasmussen. Being here, I know two important things about you. One, you like to learn, and two, you have a passion for delivering great software. Both are important. The world needs more people like you who get excited about software delivery. And even more importantly, we need a way of building and delivering software that is fun, delivers great products and services for our customers, and makes us want to get up and do it again and again every single day. Agile is a way of developing software that reminds us that although computers run the code, it's people like you and me who create and maintain it. It's a framework, attitude, and approach to software delivery that is lean, fast, and pragmatic. It is no silver bullet, but it dramatically increases your chances of success while bringing out the best your team has to offer. In this course, I am going to show you how to crush your Agile project. I mean, really knock it out of the park. Not only are your projects going to come in on time and on budget, but your customers are actually going to enjoy using the software you create for them. And they're going to love working with you and being a part of the process. In this course, you're going to learn how Agile works, how it's different from traditional waterfall, and how to choose the right Agile method for your project. We cover all that in Agile in a nutshell. You're going to learn what to look for in a good Agile team and how to build your own. You're going to learn the mechanics of Agile planning, user stories, estimation, and how to plan in a clear, open, and honest way. You're also going to learn how to execute fiercely. You learn how to turn your Agile project into a well-oiled machine that continuously produces high-quality, production-ready code by learning the mechanics of iterations and the essential software engineering practices upon which all the Agile practices build. If you're a project lead, this gives you the tools to set up and lead your Agile project from start to finish. If you're an analyst, programmer, tester, UX designer, or project manager, this course gives you the insight and foundation necessary for becoming a valuable Agile team member. I hope you enjoyed the course. I look forward to seeing you in our first session titled Agile in a Nutshell. See you there.